Let us have a look at masail, or in other words we say fiqhi masail. What are fiqhi masail? Now there are two types of a'mal, there are two types of deeds. Number one, physical actions, in which we say a'malul zahiri, and number two, internal actions or internal deeds, which are called a'malul batini. Physical deeds refer to those actions which are related to our body or the zahir, the apparent of a person, such as fasting, prayers, hajj, giving the zakah. The science in which these deeds or actions are described as are called fiqh, or is called fiqh. And these deeds are called problems and issues, which we in other words interpret them as masail. Number two is that internal deeds, a'malul batini, refer to those deeds which are related to the human heart, such as patience, gratitude, forgiveness, generosity, courage, modesty, and the art or science in which these deeds are described as is called tazkiyah or tasawwuf or tariqa, and these deeds are also called as akhlaq, morals. Akhlaq in the Shari'i istilah is for these things, whatever is internally. Now in every science or in every field they have their own experts. The people who are experts in the field of physical actions or jurisprudence, we call them as faqih, and the plural of them is fuqaha. They are the experts in this science. And the people who are experts in the science of tariqa or tazkiyah or tasawwuf, they are called Pir, Sheikh, Sheikh-e-Tariqat,